Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. I'm at Bandra Linking Road today and I'm very excited to check out the collection. So come on, let's go, and if you like the video then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Come on, let's begin. So this is where I entered the market from, and the first shop that I went to was a shoe shop. So I saw these amazing heels, lot of them in nude colors for only rupees 500. He had lot of glittery heels as well, and they were all between 700 to 800. So lot of party wear, formal wear and casual wear shoes were there, and lot of sneakers as well. There were some really nice summery dresses in the market, lot of them in nice pastel colors, and they were all priced between 500 to 1000 rupees. There was lots and lots of variety in these dresses, and especially these ones, the white, the lemon yellow, sea green. I really like these dresses, and they were all priced between 500 to 600 rupees. It was a beautiful length and it was a nice georgette fabric. There were some party wear options as well, and these dresses can be worn beautifully for the daytime and for your evening wear as well. There were some nice tops in the market, and all of them were priced between 300 to 400 rupees. And if you're a bargainer, then you can definitely lower the prices as well. I really like this sky blue dress as well, and on asking he said that it was for 950 rupees and it would fit any size beautifully, and if you tie the belt then you get a nice fit as well. There were some nice options in these dresses, and they were also priced between 750 to 950 rupees. Again, this one was a really nice dress as well, and it had a little shrug on it, and it looked really nice and summery. I really liked the bags in the market as well, and all of them were priced between 500 to 1300 rupees. There were lots and lots of options in sling bags, travel bags, carry bags, duffel bags, bags for kids, and lots of variety of colors in them as well. I quite liked this golden bag and the beige one as well, and on asking he said that it was for 1350 rupees, which again I thought was a little too much for it, but I'm sure if you bargain then he would bring it down a little. Now this bag had a little bag inside as well, and a wallet size bag outside too. Of course, if you stuff the bags too much then they would wear off. So of course you can't fill them up too much, but for a nice regular use it was pretty decent and quite chic. There were options of colors in these bags as well. I really like the beige one as well, and he said that it was for 1150 rupees. There were some really cute tops in the market as well, and they were all priced between 300 to 400 rupees. So this lane is right opposite this shop called Khodal Plus, and in this lane you get everything from dresses to tops to kurtis to innerwear to your shoes as well. So you must go to the market. This is really a nice time to go, and there is some amazing collection in the market. I saw these amazing kurti and sharara sets, like this turquoise blue set was for 2000 rupees. And there were other beautiful kurtis as well, all ranging between 700 to 3000 rupees. There were some very light casual kurtis to nice dressy kurtis as well. There were options with palazzos as well as with shararas. There were some really cool denim pants in the market as well, all priced between 400 to 500, and they had a very chic fit as well. Some nice denim jackets and some nice stoles as well. There were some nice cool sport shoes, all ranging between 500 to 900 rupees, and this whole lane was full of shoes, right from your sport shoes to your bellies, to your little kitten heels, to your chappals. You get everything here. There were lots and lots of options of kurtis in the market, and everything from your casual wear to your nice party wear was available at great prices. Lot of Lucknowi kurtis, chicken kurtis were there in the market. Lots and lots of options of these dresses were there. Also skirt and tops, your denim dresses, and lots of georgette dresses. There were lots of these small tops with pants and small tops with skirt options as well. There were lots and lots of options of pants, from your cargo pants to your denim pants to your leggings. Everything ranging between 500 to 800 rupees. You get everything in this market, like your inner wear as well, your bustiers to your corset tops to your inners, everything at very reasonable prices. You get nice options of your nightwear, like your night suits as well, all ranging between 250 to 500 rupees. So there was this guy sitting with these wallets, and they were 2 for 150 rupees, and a lot of these bracelets and neck pieces, all of them for 100 rupees. So right in front of the Croma showroom, there was this shop called Ruchi, which had an amazing collection, like this beautiful skirt and these beautiful tops. All of them were between 700 to 900 rupees. Really nice floral pastel colors. Again, in front of Croma, I saw this shop where these skirts were for 750 and above, and he had some amazing options of kurtis as well, like this beautiful light pink sharara suit was for 600 rupees, and this white beautiful skirt and top with a dupatta was for rupees 2200. There were lots of options of tops in the market, and all of them were priced between 200 to 300 rupees. I saw these really cool dresses which were all for rupees 350, and some cute corset tops as well. Some really nice summery prints were there, so it's just amazing for this season. There were some really cool shades in the market, and all of them were priced between 200 to 400 rupees. Some really nice option of dresses were there, and this shop had a nice variety of tops and lots of variety of dresses as well. There were lots of tops for 250 rupees, and the dresses that you see right in front of you were for rupees 500. Some really nice options of dresses. Very nice for your casual wear as well as your formal wear. They had lots and lots of options of sizes and a lot of good patterns as well. This shop had a lot of option of jewelry, and it had nice small bags as well, all ranging between 200 to 500 rupees. Little small Indian bags to your nice sling bags as well. Lots and lots of options of your tops, your dresses, and again in front of Croma I saw these tops which were all priced between 200 to 250 rupees, and there was this small lane that was going inside which had lots and lots of options of your clothes as well. There is a collection for everyone. So like you can see, a lot of these leggings, your pants, and again as you go inside the market, there were lots and lots of options for your denims, like say your shorts, your pants, And every style of pants were there as well. They were all priced between 500 to 750 rupees. Like you can see, there were denim shorts, then there were wide-legged pants, there were straight fit pants, skinny pants, your rugged jeans, your nice polished jeans. They had options of every kind of jeans in this shop. The material of the jeans was pretty good as well. As you can see, this shop was full of denims, like they had nice denim shirts as well. I really like the collection in this shop as well. He had some nice dresses, and again your short top and pants. They were all georgettes and chiffons, and they were all priced between 700 to 1000 rupees. Like this dress was only for rupees 400, and it was a very nice and casual dress. Lots and lots of jeans were available, and there were very nice options between 400 to 700 rupees. There were some nice casual tops, some jumpsuits, nice pajamas and dresses as well. There were some cool pants, just perfect for your summer wear. Lot of cargo pants, lot of jeans, lots and lots of options. So there's something for everyone in this market. Not only for girls, but you also have options for men and for kids as well. I like these cargo pants as well, and they were all priced between 500 to 600 rupees. There was lots and lots of variety of tops, from your short tops to your long tops and dresses as well. There were some full sleeve tops and jackets too. So right in front of KFC is this lane which is only for footwear, and there is some amazing footwear in this lane. I saw these beautiful jutis all ranging between 250 to 500 rupees, and there were some great options of jutis in this lane. There were some nice colorful jutis, just perfect for your casual wear to your formal wear as well. Sizes were available for everyone, and there were not only jutis but some nice casual chappals as well, and also great options of little heels to high heels too. And the high heels were all priced between 800 to 1000 rupees. They were all colors like your black, your nude, your silver and gold as well. They had lots and lots of variety. There were also some nice chappals which would be just perfect for your Indo-Western wear. Some cool bellies as well. I spotted some really chic shades as well, and they were also priced between 200 to 400 rupees. They had a nice collection. All these shades are really in vogue right now. And I tried a couple as well. They're all unisex. There were shades for men, women, everybody. And some really cool caps and hats as well. So with this, I come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then don't forget to press the like button and do subscribe to my channel and do share this video as well. See you guys very soon with something really exciting. Bye bye.